In this video, we're going to represent geometric problems algebraically. Sometimes we have to use algebra to help us solve geometric problems, such as finding the perimeter and area of different shapes. In this video, we're going to focus on finding missing sides of triangles algebraically. Let's look at the following problem. We have a triangle, and they give us the area being 16 square meters. We know one side of our triangle is 8 meters, and we know the other side is b meters. We want to know, what does b have to equal for the area to be 16 square meters? The first thing is to start with the equation. Area equals 1/2 times the base times the height. For us to have a base and a height, we must have a right angle. 8 and b do form the right angle. So 8 is our height and b is our base. Now we can plug in what we know and solve for what we don't know. The area is 16 square meters, so I can plug 16 in for A. Then we have 1/2 times the base, which we don't know, and the height, which is 8. Now our goal is to get the b, or the variable, by itself. We can take 1/2 times 8 because you can multiply in any order. 1/2 times 8 is 4, so we have 4b equals 16. Now we have 4 times b. To get rid of the 4 times b, we divide by 4. And what you do to one side, you must do to the other. So b is 16 divided by 4, which is 4. We know the base, or the missing side, is 4 meters. Let's look at another example. This one says to find the length of each side. Again, it gives us the area of 24 square feet. Remember that the base and the height must make a right angle, and they do. One of the sides is 6 feet, that's the height, and the other one is the expression 2x plus 2. That's our base. We can still use the equation a equals 1/2 times base times height, plug in what we know, and solve for what we don't know. The area is 24 square feet, so I'm going to plug 24 in for A. Then we have 1/2 times the base. The base is the expression 2x plus 2. And we're going to times that by the height, which is 6, because the height and the base make that right angle. We can multiply in any order, so take 1/2 times 6 first. 1/2 of 6 is 3. So now we have 3 times the expression 2x plus 2. We need to distribute that 3 through. So 3 times 2x is 6x. And 3 times 2 is a plus 6. Now we have a two-step equation. When we solve a two-step equation, we work backwards of order of operations, meaning we're going to get rid of this plus 6 first by subtracting 6. 24 minus 6 is 18, and that equals 6x. Finally, divide by 6. And we see that x equals 3. They're not asking what x is, they want to know what the length of each side is. So now we must plug this 3 in for x. So we have 2 times 3 plus 2. 2 times 3 is 6, and then 6 plus 2 equals 8. So the length of our missing side is 8 feet.